In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Templates. Templates are a fast way to spin up proven workflows without building everything from scratch. They bundle things like statuses, views, tasks, and even custom fields so your team can get moving right away with consistent, repeatable structure. Start by heading to the ClickUp home area on the left side of your workspace. From there, look for the Spaces section. Click the plus sign next to Spaces to create something new, and in the menu that appears, choose Use Templates. This opens the template library where you can browse everything available to you. You'll see a gallery of templates to choose from. Take a moment to explore the categories and preview what each one includes. You can filter by template type, such as spaces, folders, or lists, depending on what you're trying to create. You may also see options to filter by complexity. Simple templates are great when you want a clean start with only the essentials. More advanced templates often include detailed statuses, multiple views, custom fields, and example tasks. If you already know what you're looking for, use the search bar to find a template by name or keyword. This is especially helpful if your workspace has a lot of options. Once you find the right one, click on it to open the preview page, then select Use Template to begin the setup. You'll be prompted to give your new folder a name. Choose something clear and consistent with your naming conventions so teammates can find it easily later. Next, select where this folder should be created. Pick the space that best aligns with your team or project area, so everything lands in the right place from day one. You'll then see import options. These let you decide what parts of the template to bring in, such as views, statuses, custom fields, checklists, assignees, and other details. If you're unsure, start by keeping the defaults and adjust later as needed. You can also choose how to handle start and due dates. Many templates let you shift dates relative to a start date or clear dates entirely, which is handy when you're reusing a plan on a new timeline. There's also an option to include archive tasks. Most of the time you'll leave this off unless you specifically need that historical context. When everything looks good, click Use Template and wait for it to load. You'll see a progress indicator, and then your new folder will appear with the lists, tasks, and views ready to go. From here, tweak anything to fit your process, assign owners, and you're ready to work with confidence and consistency.